Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using gear you already own and prioritizing one clear win. First, check your phone, router, smart bulbs, and any speakers. They often do more than you think. Once done, pick lights or a plug-in device as your pilot project so you get immediate payoff. Make sure to standardize on one app or voice ecosystem to avoid juggling multiple platforms. This minimizes cost and cognitive load while letting you iterate fast and learn the basics through action. Once you have a pilot device working, expand with a low-cost hub or Wi-Fi extender to cover dead zones and unify connections. You will set up a separate guest SSID for EOT devices and enable WPA2 or WPA3 to keep them isolated from personal data. Next, build simple routines. Schedule lights, triggers for motion, and scene buttons. These middle steps let you chain automations together reliably. They also reveal gaps in coverage or permissions that you can fix before adding more devices. To finish, scale based on priority. Start with security and energy-saving items, then comfort devices as budget allows. You should track monthly energy and app usage to spot waste and retire high-draw gadgets. When things go wrong, follow a short checklist. Reboot the hub or router, verify the device is on the correct SSID, and install pending firmware updates. If a device still fails, remove and re-add it to the ecosystem. This simple loop fixes most integration snags and keeps your setup lean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.